Geometry, homework due April the 11th. Problems 4, 5, and 6. Find the length of arc XY. Well, we know that the arc is equal to 2 times pi times the radius times the fraction of the circle that is indicated. So that would be 70 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times pi times r. Let me see if I can make this easier to see. R is 10. So my arc is, my arc XY, my arc XY is 2 times 10, which is 20 pi times 70 degrees over 360 degrees. 20 times 70 is 1400 and I divide that by 360 to find that my answer is 3.89 times pi. Let's do another one. The circle has an arc whose measure is 80 degrees and whose length is 88 pi. (80°) 88 pi. Okay? So 88 pi is equal to 80 over 360 times pi times the diameter of the circle, which is what we're trying to find. So now I multiply both sides of my equation by 360. That is going to give me 80 times pi times the diameter is equal to 88 pi times 360. (88 times 360 is equal to 31,680 times pi is 80 times pi times the diameter. Now I divide both sides of my equation by 80 pi. 80 pi times the diameter divided by 80 pi is the same as 3,1,680 pi over 80 pi . 80 pi divided by 80 pi is 1. So my diameter, pi divided by pi, is 1. So my diameter is 396. How can I check? 396 times pi times 80 divided by 360 should give me 88 pi. Let's see whether that is true. 396 times 80 divided by 360 gives me 88. There is my diameter. One more problem. A circle has a circumference whose length is 25 pi. Find the length of an arc whose central angle is 90 degrees. We don't even have to think about this. If the whole circumference is pi times d, the length of an arc is 1/4 of that. 90, 90, 90, 90, 25 pi times 90 over 360 is equal to 25 pi divided by 4. And I'm perfectly happy to see an answer like that. But there's those people who would want a fractional equivalent, so 6.25 pi would be the arc.